All right, guys. So I know it's been a while, and please excuse the shoddy audio. I've had to learn a couple of new tools in order to just get this far. I'm recording this with OBS, and of course, some of you may recognize this is Fusion 360, and I've been self-teaching myself this to build these rotor parts. As you can see here, I've got a rotor with the shaft hole already put through it and the slots for the magnets. And I've been learning this is because in my last video I told you about um, I purchased the Ender 3 Pro. And so let me show you some of the other designs I've made. So this one is this will be for a coil. All right, there's the hole for the coil winder, and there's the center part. And again, these are just all sample videos. Let me show you another one. The first thing I'll probably print are um, these uh, coil cap ends. These are for smaller magnets. I've yet to put the center circle in here. I just realized that. But that's actually a pretty easy um, fix. Create sketch, hit the circle, and we'll probably make this 6 millimeters. Finish sketch. And there it is. And there's the hole. Anyway, this is not a tutorial for Fusion 360. This is just me showing you some of the stuff that I've learned to make. Some bearing housings. These are pretty cool. I've got the screw holes in there. You can see right there. And put the bearing in. I have to figure out how to make little indents in there so it'll capture the bearing. Anyway, I just wanted to show you guys this stuff. And hopefully I'll have this printer built pretty soon. I'm hoping within the next week or so. All right, ciao.